Welcome, here I've got MEIZU M8 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are, now we can start recording this type of video by using the big red shutter button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter. To see the video, let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play our video by using the center button. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.